Top 10 Korean dramas to watch this 2020. 2020 has been a rough year with COVID pandemic around the globe, but to all the drama fans, this year has been fantastic with many noteworthy Korean dramas that have unique plot, splendid actors, and amazing cinematography. While Korean dramas are known for its unrealistic premises, this year has given us many dramas that got lots of adoration from fans around the globe. To watch these dramas with English subtitles, check out the links in the description below. Before getting into the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates.
그래요. 순간적. 근데 그게 그쪽도 놀라긴 마찬가지였을 텐데.
Number 1 in our list is Crash Landing on You, one of the most popular rom-com of the year 2020 that has won the hearts of fans. A political rom-com that depicts the love story between two star-crossed lovers, a South Korean heiress and a North Korean elite who also happens to be an army officer. The heiress accidentally lands in North Korea and meets the army officer who helps her return to South Korea with perfect blending of romance, comedy and politics. This drama can leave you teary-eyed at the ending.
억지로 갈라놔도 아침부터 아무것도 못 먹고 달려왔더니 배고파 뒤지겠는데. 이런 총구석에도 맛집은 있지. 먹고 떨어질게. 문강태 나추라.
Number 2. It's Okay Not to Be Okay. This is the second most viewed Korean drama on Netflix this year. While mental illness is increasing with the pandemic, this drama beautifully portrays the lives of people with mental illness and trauma, a quite refreshing and unique way of portraying the characters which can be addictive. An arrogant and selfish children's book writer who had a traumatic childhood falls in love with a health worker in a psychiatric ward. While this drama is not everyone's cup of tea, it would be a great watch if you love psychological dramas.
서로 뗀뗀해 보이던.
Number 3. Haina. If you want to watch a drama with strong female lead and a love story, this one is highly recommended. Female lead is a badass lawyer who would chase after money and success no matter what it takes. Male lead is an elite lawyer who has a brilliant mind and a ballooning ego. When both come in one frame, it can be freaking awesome to watch.
그럴 일 없어. 라고 내가 몇 번 말하니?
끌려간다고요?
Number 4. Mystic Pop-Up Bar, a fantasy filled with comedy. This drama is a perfect binge watch after a tiring day. A prickly woman runs a mysterious bar along with a chef and a part-time worker. They go into people's dreams and help them. When the trio come together, you can expect a lot of fun.
상어 입속에 뭐가 들었나 선생님이 한번 볼까요? 주사가 어디 갔어? 주사가. 간호사 선생님, 우리
엄마가 나쁜 사람 혼내줬어. 선생님.
Number 5 in our list is Hospital Playlist, the best medical drama of the year 2020. This drama explores the amazing bond between 5 friends who stayed close to each other since attending medical school. With careers as doctors, they form a band together, and this drama portrays the life of medical team.
나 스스로
뭐야? 애송.
나 때문에 막대한 피.
Number 6. Itaewon Class. This drama came out as a fresh piece flowing with a roller coaster of emotions. The plot is simple with a love story between a badass female lead and a male lead who decides to seek revenge for his father's death. What makes the drama interesting is the way it portrays the characters.
너 환자니까.
교통 정리 한번 가죠? 그럼 아저씨는 하숙생에 좋지.
Number 7. Dodo Sol Sol La La Sol, a calm and a soothing drama that can brighten your day. Gurara is an immature and a cute pianist who finds way to a small village named La La Land where she meets Sun Woo Jun, who is free-spirited and doesn't care what other people think. They both fall in love and a cute love story follows.
아,
Number 8. Hi Bye Mama. This is the best melodrama of the year. Her mom, who died in a tragic car accident, tries to become human again through a 49-day reincarnation project. But her husband remarried and life is not the same for them. This drama achieved high ratings across nationwide in Korea. Number 9 in our list is The World of Married, one of the best thriller dramas released this year. Ji Sun-woo is a respected doctor and is married to Lee Tae-woo and has a son. Her life starts to crumble when she finds her husband cheating on her. She vows to take down each one of them who betrayed her. This drama is high-paced with lots of plot twists, and the first 6 episodes will blow our minds. The drama received critical acclaim for its screenplay, direction, and performance.
아까부터 걸렸어. 잘해줄게.
잘해줘야지.
The last one in our list is Record of Youth. The drama portrays the growth record of young people who strive to achieve their dreams. Hye Jun is a handsome and a smart guy who wants to become an actor but hasn't found success yet. Though he doesn't have success, he has a fangirl who adores him unconditionally.